Moving tomato plants works. Hi, my name's Jim. In my last video I was showing you guys how I moved them to my grandparents' old place, and I had some tomato plants in my backyard at the old house that had probably been there for a couple months, and I tried digging them up and just moving them and transplanting them here, and it's been about, I guess, 10 or 12 days since I did that, and they're looking pretty good. These are 3 of them right here. You can see they're looking pretty good. They even have some tomatoes on them. They kind of wilted quite a bit at first, but I've just kept them watered several times a day. When I dug them up, I tried to leave a little bit of dirt on the roots, but not really a lot. I only live about 15 minutes from here, so I didn't have to transfer them too far. This one here, the little yellow pear tomatoes, I picked a couple of those yesterday and ate them. Those are some squash plants. I just planted those from containers. They weren't in the ground. I also moved my veggie pot. I had to take all the dirt out of it to move it because it was too heavy, but I put some new seeds in there about the same time I did the tomato plants 10 or 12 days ago, and I have stuff sprouting there, some lettuce, onions, radishes, a few things. And here's one of the other tomato plants right there. It's looking pretty good. Put that one on the end of the house. And this is a little, one of those little yellow cherry tomatoes, sun gold, I think. It's looking pretty good. I've been eating a few tomatoes off of that. Oh, and lemon cucumbers. Those were planted in the ground too, so I dug those up, and they seem to be doing all right. They were pretty wilted at first, didn't know if they would make it, and they're looking good. That's lemon balm. That was in my my veggie pot. I just pulled that out and stuck it in the ground, and it's doing good. Also, that's rosemary right there. I moved that, and it seems to be doing good. That rose bush right there, I moved that. It's not looking too good right now, but maybe it'll come back. And that's also a persimmon tree, or not a pomegranate tree. I moved that, and it looks like all the leaves are falling off and stuff. I planted that about a year ago, so I just dug it up and moved it too. So not sure if that's gonna make it or not. So I'm glad I thought to try this. I was just gonna leave my plants behind, and I kind of hated to. And I thought, you know what? I don't know if you can move them once they're already planted in the ground, but hey, I'm going to dig them up and try it. All I have to do to lose is my time. So now I know that it works. So if you're ever moving, or even if you just want to move them to another area of the yard, it does work. You just have to keep them watered pretty well for, you know, a bit, so they don't till they get settled in. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.